Hello, good morning. How is fast food? Can I help? Wait, what, Clarice, is you? Clarice, wait, take a hold on yourself. What happened? Eh? Wait, tell me, say, Benji? You sure? My Benji? Lord Jesus, Clarice, when? Oh, you mean police just come down there and just grab Benji so and kick him up and box him up and put him in a vehicle and carry him gone? But after Benji and a wrong door. So, what then carry him gone, Clarice? How you mean you don't know? Then you never the same place, they ask them or some that... Lord, sorry for you talk to you, so Clarice, but me turn fool, Lord Jesus, me don't know if you do. You mean then just carry me pitney and beat him up. Me go left work right now and come down there, me and you go look for him, you hear?
Imagine how a parent feels, or a sister, or brother, a wife, a grandparent, when a family member is arrested and taken. Nobody knows where. There's a feeling of helplessness. Where do you turn?
There are rules and procedures a police officer must follow when questioning a citizen or making an arrest. And there are rights and responsibilities of a citizen who is detained. This is how it should go.
Help the people. Help the people. Help the people. Help the people.
Benjamin Morris.
That's me.
So you are Benjamin Morris. I'm here to take you in for questioning.
Question about what, officer?
I have reason to believe that you're involved in a case of arson.
Me? No,
Yes,
sir, no,
you.
me, sir.
You're innocent, Mr. Morris, until proven guilty. Put your hand there, Benji. Wanna give you a search?
But we can't get a name and
Yes.
number.
So you have to go though, sir. I'm asking you for your kind cooperation. You are not obliged to say anything, Mr. Morris, unless you wish to do so.
Hands behind you.
Whatever you say will be taken on in writing and may be given evidence. Put your hands behind your back. And come with us. I must inform you of your right to legal representation. Do you have a lawyer, sir?
I don't have one, officer.
Do you want me to contact a lawyer for you? We have a list of duty counsel.
How much would I have to pay, officer?
You don't have to pay. The state will provide one for you. Would you like me to get in touch with one for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll do that.
Mr. Benjamin, I think your duty counselor is about here now.
Officer,
Okay, ma'am.
I am here as your legal representative. My name is Walters.
Right, now that your duty counselor is here, I'll leave you both to communicate to each other. Thanks much.
I understand that the police have detained you on suspicion of arson. You are not supposed to answer any questions unless I am present. And if you are required to attend an identification parade, I have to be present.
But if I need you, how will I contact you?
As your attorney, I can visit you at any reasonable time, and you can ask the officer to get in touch with me. Now, if they charge you, I will request bail. Do you have anybody who would be able to stand surety for you?
Well, probably my boss, because there's a lot of work in the shop now, and he needs me.
Well, good. Good. We have a lot to talk about then.
If everybody followed the rules, that is how things should happen. But often, things go wrong.
I was so upset that I just left everything same place and left go right up at the police station, you know. And when we go up at the police station, them not give me no information. The way them treat me was like a dog coming in from the street in a them station. Them was rude, rank. Me never know police could have really treat somebody so after y'all seek information. Claim said them no know nothing about no Benjamin Morris. So you know what me do? After me take the whole day from work and them have me like a yo-yo up and down, back and forth, I just go back in my area for some bucketive. And even when we bring people from the area up there as bucketive, they don't give me no information.
But the arresting officer has another story.
You see, when that woman came back the second time, she bring the whole downtown Kingston, she bring with her. And talking all kind of things. She and her combolos them threw a battle on the station, threatened to mash up the station, and said that them going to block the road.
When everybody is angry and upset, all the rules for both police and citizen seem to go out the window. But there are things that can be done. Mrs. Morris goes to a justice of the peace in her community for advice.
Okay, let's get right down to business. When your son was taken to the police station, the officer in duty should have told him that he has the right to contact a family member or an attorney. We have to find out exactly where he's being held. So let me make a call and try and find out what is happening.
How to get the necessary information?
Yes, hello.
Well, it begins with telephone calls to the various police stations. The JP asks courteously to speak to the officers in charge in each case, and eventually Benji is located.
Okay, she'll be relieved to know. All right, okay. Thanks a lot. All right, now that we know where Benji is, the thing to do is that we have to get him an attorney.
I really can't afford a lawyer, miss.
That's okay. You can get legal aid. He's entitled to legal aid, you know. Every station has a list of the duty counsels. Oh. And we can get him a lawyer through that means. And we have to know what he was charged with.
But that is what I go down there to find out, you know, miss. When me and my friends, when them treat us real bad, them treat us rude.
The police tell me that is your people want to attack the station.
It's just that we did excited and angry, miss.
And everyone threatened to block the road.
That's the only way you can get justice, you know, miss.
But it's against the law. Listen to me. If we insist that the police abide by the rules, then we have to obey the rules as well. Anyway, that's water under the bridge. What we really need to do now is to get a lawyer for him. We have to find out exactly what the charges are, and so on. I think you have a genuine complaint. Now, to make a complaint to the police public complaints authority, you need to find out exactly what the names of the people who you said were rude to you. Did you have to see the names or their tag number?
No, but if I see them again, I would know them, you know.
You also need to remember exactly what they said to you.
Yes, but what we can do now, miss? What we can really do now?
I always say start at the beginning. Now, each station has the head of the station. He's the one who is ultimately responsible. He's the one who runs things. And you have some very good officers in the force, you know.
But me want not going down there, no, miss.
No. Get some of your friends to go with you. Right? I think you have a better chance of getting through it, so that you have some support. All right? You need to know exactly what is being charged for and whether they're going to give him bail. And if the police don't want to give him bail, then he can insist that he be brought before a JP, a justice of the peace.
What for what, miss? Benji don't have no...
But a JP can grant bail too, you know. A JP can grant bail. But I beg you, this time go peaceful, right?
Yes,
don't bother go and start an excitement and you'll rock us in the place. You promise me?
Yes, miss.
All right, then.
Remember, there are things that you can do. Be observant. Remember the number and the rank of the officers you talk to. Try to remember all that you are told, how they answer or don't answer your request for information. Even when it seems impossible, be courteous. If you are asking about a relative who has been detained, you have the right to ask if duty counsel has been assigned. If you are told yes, ask for the name and phone number of the duty counsel. Remember, there are organizations that can help you. The Office of the Public Defender, the Independent Jamaica Council for Human Rights, the Kingston, Mobay, and Norman Manley Law School Legal Aid Clinics, and Jamaicans for Justice.
If you aren't sure of your rights and responsibilities, you can obtain leaflets like these from the Legal Aid Council or from Jamaicans for Justice.
Jamaicans for Justice is a non-profit, non-partisan, non-violent citizens action organization. We work with others towards a Jamaica where there is justice for all. We believe that the majority of Jamaicans are decent, law-abiding citizens, and we try to work with those who come to us for help to see how we can get justice in their particular situations. If you wish to contact Jamaicans for Justice, you may visit us at our office at 1 Grants Pen Road, Kingston 8, or call us at 755-4524. We are always willing to help.
I will learn my rights as a citizen.
I will act with justice, fairness, and professionalism at all times.
I will show respect for the law and encourage better relations between citizens and the security forces.
I will not treat anyone in a cruel or degrading way.
I will work with my community to support any victim of a criminal act.
Respect yourself, respect others, learn your rights.